Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 28th of July 2017. So yesterday pound very sideways, as you can see here, and then all of a sudden we get a signal that is filled just before we end the main part of the session and prices move lower. Now yesterday I spoke about the US dollar index and it was due for a rally, and this is what happened, and we saw the pound move lower there. So here in the dollar index you can see prices were higher. We drew this line in yesterday, the 93.16 area of support, and prices bounced off that yesterday, which is why you're seeing the pound move lower for yesterday. And then that's all we've had, and the market has remained sideways for most of the night for the pound. In the daily chart, well, we're back below the 131 area. You can see that there, and prices are just trying to move back up above the 76% that we have marked up from here back to here. So the market's just at that level at the moment. Let's have a quick look at the news whilst we're here, see what's out for today. Nothing major there. Let's have a look at lunchtime advanced GDP, and all we've got really is Fed Kashkari speaking, but that's at 6:20 p.m. and everything else really is medium impact. So much the same again as yesterday's session, I would imagine, is what we'll see. Let's have a look at the Dow, see what that did yesterday. So we had again same pattern, market making new all-time highs in the pre-market session, and then went on to further this in the main part of the session. You see the market putting in a new daily high there. Then we had the signal just before we went into the quiet part, 20 points on that, and then the market had a pullback and then found support down at the 21,700 level. And then on the overnight, which you can see here, which is why I left the other extension in there, you can see that we've got the market at the 21,800. It is now traded up to, we're only 200 points away from the 22,000 level, and I have no doubts we're going to head in that direction as well. In the daily charts, you can see here that prices are fairly sideways. Let me just make sure this is loaded correctly. We've got the market down slightly. Let me just again check that. Yes, so the market's down there. So sideways there, finding support at that 700 level. We'll see what happens today, but notice there's an increase in volume here for this bar, and the range is less than the previous bar, so there is some selling pressure around in this market for yesterday as well. So it'll be interesting to see if the market can get up to that psychological 22,000 level. Let's have a quick look at the implied volatility before we conclude. Implied volatility moving higher yesterday, which you would expect, 726 or from 703. You can expect a turnaround there. We've got the selling pressure, and also the market came down off that all-time high by 100 points, sat on the 21,700 before moving back to the upside. Again, watch the 22,000 area in this market should the market move higher, because it's going to be interesting to see if it can hold above this level. It's put on a huge amount of money in the last 6 months, and it's going to be interesting to see how much longer, given the lows in the implied volatility, and not just lows but also record lows down here, how much longer this market can hold on the highs. Right, that'll do it for today. I'll report in if there's anything to report in on. Other than that, it's Friday, weekend approaches, so have a great weekend, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next